Welcome back to the channel. In today's video we will try to find out how to remove episodes from your YouTube library. So in order to do it, you will have to first come on the YouTube TV, the URL of which is tv.youtube.com. Over here you just have to simply log in into your account, and then you just have to click on the library section. Now over here you will be able to see all of your recordings, so you can click on the three dots right next to the recording that you want to remove, and you can simply remove the entire episode or the entire series from your library. Now if you are wondering whether you can remove any particular episode, so currently you cannot actually do it. So as you can see that on the support page of Google, this person is saying that individual shows cannot be deleted. When you watch something, it will be marked as watched, assuming you don't pause your watch history. You have the ability to stop recording future showings, and that will remove you seeing that show, but it will still be available in search for 9 months from the air date. So basically you cannot remove any specific episodes. You will have to just remove the entire show. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.